Welcome back. We continue with the Smith chart. We have seen that the Smith chart is a 4D representation of two complex number quantities, uh, impedance and the reflection coefficient. We always plot the normalized impedance on the Smith chart. So for that, the impedance under consideration is divided by the characteristic impedance, and we plot the normalized impedance so that we can cover the bigger range of the impedance on a smaller paper. We will derive that the resistance or the real part is represented by the circles whose center is at R divided by 1 plus R, where R is the real part of the impedance and second coordinate is 0. So that point is situated over here and over here for this given circle. If this is the circle, then center will be over here. So the center of the circle of constant resistance will always lie on this straight line, because the second coordinate, the y coordinate of that point is 0. And the radius is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus r. So as the value of r is smaller, the radius will be larger. So here we can see the biggest circle has the value of resistance r is equal to 0, and as the value of r increases, the radius of the circle reduces. So here this small circle represents the value of the real part of the impedance, or the resistance is equal to 5. Okay, so when R is equal to 0, this is the point of short circuit, and here R is very large, so it is the point of open circuit as far as the impedance is concerned. These are the circle having center at 1 and 1 by x and the radius 1 by x. So in this way it will make the complete circle, and so the arc which we see on the Smith chart is a part of a circle having center at 1 and 1 by x and radius 1 by x, where x is the imaginary part of our impedance or the reactive part of our impedance. If reactance is plus, that is inductive, then it will be on the upper half of the Smith chart, and if the reactance is negative, that is capacitive, then it will be on the lower half of the Smith chart. So in this way we can represent the various values as given over here. So we will do this exercise in the class.